Hello friend, this is Opening and welcome to Learn SAP ABAP. So in this session, we are going to see how subclass can get all the protected and private component of class, which is granting friendship of superclass. Okay. So in our last session, we have seen how to create a friend class and access the private and protected component of the friend class. If you still didn't watch, then you may click on the link in the given in the description. Okay. So please watch that part also. Okay. So we will see what is the subclass of friend class. Okay, so subclass of friend class can access all its class granted friendship. Okay, so the subclass can get all the protected and private element of a class, which is granting friendship of superclass. Okay, don't worry, if you didn't understand this, so don't worry, I will try to explain you in a detail. Okay, so let's go to our system to understand it in detail. But wait, if you are the first time on my channel or you still didn't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of upcoming videos. Okay, so stay to till the end and keep watching Learn SAP ABAP. So we will try to understand this definition. So as you have already mentioned, like subclass of friend class can access all its class granted for friendship. What does it mean? For that, I will show you one more thing. I will try to explain you. Let's suppose I have this class as a parent class. Okay, and here I have a end class. Okay, and then I am creating one more class as a class class child. So this class is basically inheriting from parent class. Okay, and here I will end class definition. Okay, now let's suppose I have one more class, other class. Okay, class others, and here I will add end class. Here I have defined this class definition. Okay, and let's suppose here I have some private section, in which I have a call variable private. Okay, type char 10 char 20. Okay, then okay, fine, we'll use this private. Okay, so now what does it mean? So now we will try to understand this thing. So as you can see here, subclass of friend class can access or it's a class granted friendship. What does this mean? So now as you can see, this is a parent class and this is a child class. This, why this is child class? Because this class is being inherited from this parent class. Okay, so as you can see, this is the parent class and this is the child class. Okay, so in which you can see we do not have any variable defined over there, but as you can see, this is another class. Okay, but so now for this class, what I'm doing, I will create private friend. Which friend? This I will use this class as a private friend. Okay, private friend. So I have defined this class as a this parent class as a friend class. Okay, friend class of this class. Okay, other for the other class. Okay, the other class. So what does it mean? This parent class means this class can access all the private and protected component of this class. Why? Because this is a friend class of this parent class. Okay, so now what is a subclass of friend class? So now what is a subclass? As you can see, this is a friend class. Okay, so for this class, this parent class is a friend class. So now he the statement said subclass of friend class. The subclass means if you check this parent class and we have this as child as a subclass. Okay, the subclass of friend class can access all it's a class granted friendship. Okay, so what does it mean? So subclass of friend class, so this is the subclass for this class, other class, this is the subclass. Okay, of a friend class in this is a friend class. Okay, as you can see here, we have different friend class. Okay, so can access all its of class granted friendships. So okay, so this private class can access the granted friendship of this class. So so this parent class can access all the private and protected section of protected component of this another class. So this child class also can access this private and protected component. Why? Because this is the subclass, I mean inherited class. Okay, so that is the mean of this. Okay, so here actually you can see the same things. The subclass can get all the protected and private component of the class, which is guaranteed differential of superclass. So for this subclass, so that means this subclass can get all the protected and private element of the class, element of this class, which is granting friendship of superclass. Means this class is granting friendship of this class. That means this child class also can access the private and protected component. Okay, so as an example, like if the class cl is a granting, so let's suppose if a class other is a granting friendship of parent class, then uh, the child, okay, then the child class will get all the protected and private component on class. Okay, so now this is a child class, so this can access all the protected and private component of this class. Okay, so if the class cl is a granting friendship of this class, so the child class of this get all the protected component of this class also. Okay, so now we will see all this thing in practically. Okay. Okay, friend. So I'm in my SAP system. So we'll take the example of the last session. Okay, whatever we have discussed. Okay, so if you still didn't watch this last video, then you may find the link in the description. So please check the first video of friend class. Okay, so that will be helpful to understand this quickly. Okay, so we'll try to modify this program. Okay, instead of modifying, we'll try from this class so that you will understand quickly. So what I will do, I will just copy paste, okay, the required section. So what I will do first, I will define the class mm, parent. Okay, I'm given a parent definition, and here I'm define end class. Okay, so in a parent class I will define public section, and in which I will define one method as a m public. Okay, done. So now here what I will do, I will create one more class as a child definition inheriting from parent. Okay, parent. Okay, so here I will write end class. Okay, so this, so here also I will write a public section, and here I will write method m child. Okay, and here I will write m parent. Okay, so now I will create one more class, as we have seen class other definition. So here I will use the friends. This is a friend class. Okay, and then here in class. Okay, and here what I will do, I will just copy the code from our last class. This code I will copy as it is. Okay, here. Okay, so that it will save our time. It's video protected. Here I will give the private. Okay, protected private, and here this is the other class, right? So method m other. Okay, this is the other class method in a private section. Okay, so now what I will do, we need the implementation. Okay, so we'll write the implementation. Okay, so first I will implement this class other class. So what is the implementation? So I will write class other implementation, then here I will write end class. Okay, so I will try to implement this. So here we have a private, so I will pass private variable from main class. Okay, so that you can understand when it will actual execute. Then here I will write private, sorry, here I will write private variable from main class, and this I will change as a protected. Okay, and here I will write main class private method. Okay, So why I'm writing this? Because we are executing we have a logic inside this method, okay, and this is a under the private section, okay. So this is our this we are considering as a main class, okay. So method, and here I will just print this, okay. Sorry, protected, and here I will use variable private. Okay, and here private, okay. So we have implemented our other class, okay. So now which we will implement, now we have a two more class, right? This is a parent and this is a child class, okay. So first we will what we will implement the parent class, because what is in a parent class is a friend class, okay. Other class is a friend, okay. So we will implement this parent class now. So here what I will write, class parent implementation, okay. And here I will write parent class. So in a parent class what I will write, method m private, okay. So you can see we have this method, right? We have a parent, so we'll implement this method parent. Here I will end method, okay. So we have already seen in the last video, okay. So parent class can instantiate object in its method implementation, okay. So what I will do, data object type refer to, what refer to, other, because this is our class, okay. We are creating the object of this class, okay. We are instantiating this class, okay. This, not this one, the above one, okay. Other one, this one, other class, okay. So here as you can see other, okay. So here what we have to write, we have to write just create data obj, create reference variable, okay. Then what I will do, object, okay, not a mother, we will write here call method. So you are calling method of others, okay. Then here what I will do, I will just access the component of this class using v protected. So here I will write protected accessed by parent, okay. And here I will write obj v private, and here I will write private variable accessed by parent, okay. And here I will write call method, which method, parent class method. This is parent class method, and in which I will print this, okay. Class method, oh sorry, not method, here I have to write write statement, right, okay. And here I will use this, and then again this variable, okay. We have done, okay. We have done with the implementation of parent class, okay. So now same thing, what I will do, I will just now we have implemented two method, right? Other and parent, the other and the parent class. Now we will implement this child method, okay. So in which we have this as a child method, okay. So let me comment this, the old part, what as we are, okay. So I will comment this and we'll try to save our program. I will execute, let me check. Here I will first use, otherwise class child implementation. Yeah, okay, so now we will activate, okay. Here we will try yes, okay. uh, Only can X class implementation in class, oh sorry, here I didn't use method m other, okay, m other, and here I will use end method, okay. Okay, so create object, sorry, create object, okay, m child implementation missing, okay, fine. So now we will implement this child class here. What I will do it without m child, here I will write end method, okay. And what I will do, I will just copy the code as it is from here parent class to this child class. I will make some modification. So object type refer to others, and this will okay as it is. This can also access. So now as you can see, this child class also access this other class, okay. So other class component, and so you can see the child class also access this instantiate class in its method implementation, okay, in the friend class, okay. So this is what, so here what I will do, instead of method here I will use, I have to call the child class method, right? So sorry, parent class method. So I will write parent, then here object. So now you can see protected variable access by child, and here I will write protected access by child, and child class, here I will write child class method, child class method, okay. Now we are almost done, okay. So now check and activate, and now I will use here write start of selection, sta- start of selection, and here what I will do, write data. Oops. I will write obj type refer to child class, and here create object obj underscore child, and here I will what I will do, I will simply call this method object child. Here we have a which method I will call child. Here we have this child method, right? Child, okay, call method, okay. Check and activate. That's it. So now we'll take the recap whatever we have done so far. So first we have created the parent class in which we have defined public section method, parent method. Then we have created one child class as a inheriting from the parent class, okay. Then we have defined another class, so in which we have a protected and private section, okay. Why? Because we are going to see how this child class can access the component of friend class, okay. So for this child class, this is the for this child class, this is a parent class, and this parent class is granting friendship of this other class. So this child class also can access the all the protected and private component of this other class, okay. Let me go back. Now if we scroll down, so here you can see the other implementation. Here we have just in this method, in this implementation method, we have some pass some value, protect a variable from main class, protect a variable from main class, as we are considering this as a main class, okay. And here I can see, you can see the right main class private data, okay. So here we are just printing main class private data, okay. Then we have also implemented the parent class. So okay, so then we have a parent class implementation here. So this parent class is nothing but the friend class of this other class, okay. So what is the concept of friend class? The friend class can access all the protected and private component, okay, of friend. A class can access protected private component of friend class, okay. So for that, and the another prerequisite is the parent class can instantiate friend class in its method implementation, okay. So here what that is, we have created the object of the other class is a friend class and a create object. Then here we are calling the method of this method. Here we are calling this method of this other in this class, other class, so you can see. So once so this is, we are calling this method. Then here as you can see, we are accessing the variable of this class, this so accessing variable of this other class here, and we are passing some value. Here you can see, if you check here, In a other section we have only defined a public section in the variable, okay, and private section variable, but here child class we have not defined any variable, and even a public section we have not defined any variable, okay, but then too we can access this variable in this parent class here. So how this, so you can see we are giving the reference this other class, and this variable we are just printing protected variable accessed by parent by class, and here we are just writing some parent class method, and we are printing the value of the variable. And for the child class we are doing the same thing. Here also we are just calling the same friend class, accessing the same class, and here also we are accessing the variable of the friend class only, okay, as this is a child class, so it is can access because parent class granting friendship of the friend other class, okay. So and here our child class, and in the startup selection, at the end startup selection, we have created the objects of this child class. Okay, start this child, we have created object of this child class, and when we will execute this method, so what will happen here, so first control will go inside this, so here we can see here we have this method called parent. So when the control is here, so the program will go to the call method, and in this call method, in this call it will go to this parent method, it will execute. So when control will come here, so first it will go to this m other. So what we have a m other, so it will execute the method of the it will execute first other class method, this method first it will print this object protected variable from main class. So once then when the control will come out from this when the control will come out from here his other class, then it will printing this the protected variable accessed by parent, this once this method will get executed completely. After that, you can see here, you can see this call method is once get executed completely, then it will execute this thing, okay, and we can see this out, okay. So now check and activate. So I will show you the output now. If I will go output, okay, so let me just divide some section, just a second. Here I will write skip, okay, and here also I will use skip, and here also I will use skip. Here no need, okay. Check and activate. So if I will execute, so now you can see main class, parent class method, the protected data variable from main class. So first executing main class, then the parent class, and then the child class method executing, okay. So I hope you like this video. Okay, so if you want this code for the reference purpose, so you may visit to my website, so link is also given in the description in the website also. Here you can find in the website you can find this code, okay, so you can copy paste for your testing purpose, okay. Bye.
If you like this video, then press the like button below. If you have any doubt, then write me in the comment section below. If you want to learn more about ABAP, then visit to my website www.learningsapabapp.com. The link is also given in the description. And please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification about my next upcoming videos. Okay, so friends, bye, signing out.